Welcome to part 2 of the SUBCRAFT video series. In the previous video, we took a closer look at what is SUBCRAFT, how we can build a basic trap 808 with it, and how to use the integrated loops for a faster workflow. So if some steps seem too fast for you, feel free to watch the first video. In today's video, let's build a nice sliding 808 for a UK drill beat. So I'm starting with this drill type beat right here that I still need an 808 for. Let's make one. But first, let's go through some presets to find a good starting point for my bass sound. I like that sound, and the bass really keeps the same power in the high 808 slides as in the deep bass notes. But there are some details that I want to change to match better with this drill beat. If you listen to the start of the 808, you will notice that there is a kick sample in front of every bass tone. Oftentimes, this will make sense, but in my case, I want the 808 slides to be smooth. So I'm just gonna turn off the integrated kick sample like this, so that SUBCRAFT is playing only the bass sound. Also, in this case, I would like my bass to be very long and not lose any volume over time. And to do that, I just come here into the bass details and turn the length all the way up like so. And to make it stop as soon as the note ends, I turn the release down to 0% and I get this result. Great, but I'm still missing some character. For this, let's go over to the terrain. The terrain can make the tone of the bass change from soft and clean to distorted or noisy by changing the position of the pad. If I like one sound on one position, but I want to explore more, I can keep this sound on my A bank and switch to my B bank, where I can continue exploring, and then later I can compare them side by side. Okay, we're almost there with the sound, but I still want to give it a stronger effect to make the bass become very present in the mix. And that's where the integrated effects come in handy. Here I can choose from several different effects with creative combinations of distortion, noise, EQ filter, chorus, or bit crushing. Let's see if I can find what I'm looking for. Our sound is now very dirty and has a lot of character, but sometimes we just need something more natural and clean sounding. For example, for an old school boom bap beat like this. To start off with a clean sound, I'm gonna choose the preset Pure. I'm gonna turn down the kick sample a bit, but to get closer to an electric bass guitar, we can leave a bit of the kick sound in front of the bass to imitate the transient when you play a string. Now let's turn down the tone to -100% to get a deeper, cleaner sound, and I'm gonna turn the release on -18% so it almost sounds like you stop the string with your hand. On the terrain, I'm really liking the sound on this position here, where it gives some overtones but stays clean. You can get SUBCRAFT now on ujam.com, and please feel free to also watch the other videos on SUBCRAFT where I explore the sound of this great plugin even more. Thanks for watching.